Welcome to Michell Consulting Group University. In this video, we will be discussing Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts. First, we're going to begin with some basic keyboard shortcuts. The first one is cut. Whatever file or item you highlight and you press Ctrl X will get cut. Then you can press Ctrl V to paste it. Ctrl C will copy an item that you have highlighted. That includes a file as well. Then we have Ctrl Z, which will undo an action. For example, if we press Ctrl Z now, it will undo that last paste that we did. Ctrl Y will redo the last action. So if we press Ctrl Y, you'll see the text come back. And Ctrl A will select all items that you're focused on. The next set of shortcuts we're going to be looking at are Windows key shortcuts. We're going to start off with Windows key A, and that's going to open up the Action Center. The Action Center, you can select different options similar to the notification pane on your phone. Next key is Windows D, and that will display your desktop. So I press it right now. It's going to display my desktop. Next we have Windows E, which will display our File Explorer. Windows I will open up our settings. The Windows Tab key will display the task view. And this just shows a preview of all the windows that I have open. So if I want to switch between them, I can quickly and easily do so. The Windows V will pull up our clipboard history. And lastly, Windows M will minimize all windows. You can press it again to maximize the same windows. For more videos like this, like and subscribe, and visit us at mitchellgroup.com for more information.